superhero, what powers would you have? Flying, for sure. I would fly. Always wanted to fly. What one thing could I not go a day without? I guess talking to my kids, I'll say. Okay, list 2 pet peeves. 2 pet peeves.
People saying that's not my job.
Okay. There's one.
People who belittle others.
Okay. Pet peeves. List 2 pet peeves. Continuously interrupting, which I am bad about. And somebody's not looking at me and listening to me when I'm telling a story or just telling them or answering a question someone's asked me. So I would say that. Like, don't ask a question if you really don't want to know the answer. Okay. Are you eating the pecan log now? It's so good. Pecan log from Stuckey's. Gosh.
Well, not that good.
It's better than I remember. How many pairs of shoes do you own?
10 or 12.
Yeah, me too. I only wear about 2 or 3. If you were a superhero, what powers would you have? Flying, for sure. I would fly. Always wanted to fly. What?
Aquaman's power.
This pecan log has something else great in it. Huh? Yeah. Are they supposed to?
Yeah.
God, that's good. I don't remember that. Okay. Oh my God. 515 million. Mega Million numbers are in. I don't know if somebody won. Okay. What would you be? What would you do? Your superhero? Magic? What?
Aquaman.
Aquaman.
Yeah. Talk
Really?
to fish.
You'd be the main merman.
Come to get in my boat.
Okay.
No, I don't know.
What would you do if you won the lottery? It's really weird that I just read that, and that's the next question.
I've had this discussion at length.
Yeah, we'd pay off our family members'
In 2
bills and
miles,
ours.
take exit 59 on the right onto US 90 east towards Lucedale.
And all that good stuff.
I have a realtor on speed dial on the keys.
Amen. What form of public transportation do you prefer? Air, boat, train, bus, car, etc. You're a boat.
None of the above. I don't like public transportation.
Mine would be in the air, in a private plane, or first class,
That's not
or
public.
my car.
It'd be public transportation.
Oh. I guess my car then. What's your favorite zoo animal? Well, there's a lot of cute ones. A koala's cute. Koala bear. If they really hug on you like that. A sloth, because it's funny looking and funny movements. What's your favorite? Giraffes are pretty cool. A little creepy.
I love watching.
Tigers.
I love watching panthers, and I love watching monkeys.
Yeah, monkeys monkeying around. That is cute. Okay. If you could go back in time to change one thing, what would it be?
Use the right lane to take exit 59 on the right onto US 90 east towards Lucedale.
Lord, we are like the worst.